Good day guys, sent money to the wrong person on Cash App. Here's how to cancel a payment or request a refund as quickly as possible. So first, you need to open the Cash App and tap the Activity tab. That's the clock icon at the bottom right. Find the payment you wish to cancel or refund. If it's still marked as pending, tap Cancel immediately. You'll see the option if the recipient hasn't accepted it yet. So if the payment says completed, you can't cancel it, but you can still try to get a refund. Tap the payments, scroll down and select Request a refund. Add a reason and send the request to the recipient. If they agree, the funds will be returned to your Cash App balance or linked card. Still no luck, tap Support in the app and file a dispute, especially for fraud or scams. Cash App's team will investigate and may reverse the transaction. That's how you cancel or refund a Cash App payment fast. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment, tell us what you think, and of course like the video and subscribe, and hit that bell to not miss new fresh videos. We upload all the time. Thanks for watching.